Sorry. What is up, guys? Boy Vino Jake here, back at it again with some more car content. We're good morning, guys. We are at Chick-fil-A. My homie Pedro. Good morning. So first things first, starting off Chick-fil-A, right? I guess. Actually, first time I ordered and I didn't even get my name, so they guessed it. I guess, you know. Let me show you real quick. I guess my name is Fernando now, according to Chick-fil-A. It's kind of odd. What, do I look like a Fernando?
I don't know what you're talking about, bro. That's always been your name.
But other than that, guys, you guys new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be dropping some content down below. Maybe today will be the surprise of a new debt, I guess, like a new project car, maybe project car.
New money pit.
New money pit. Like I already don't have enough, right? Guys, so stay tuned. If I do get it, I'll make a badass video about it on the way. If it makes it too, we'll see. We'll check it out if all goes well. So yeah, it's time to eat. All right, guys. So we're here right now. We drove about 2 hours for this project car. I was about to say the name right now. Shit, I'm gonna bust a U-turn in here. Honey, I'm home. Yeah, guys. So we saw it right now. Me and Pedro. Looks pretty clean. The owner looks like he mods cars, so. Oh shit, look at that Beamer. Shit, clean. Damn, there's a motorcycle. There's a lot of modded cars here on this block right now.
Yeah, we just saw that 430.
I know. Oh yeah, that LS 430.
If not, bro, worst case scenario, we go ask them.
I know. Worst case scenario, knock door. So guys, we're gonna be getting here shortly. Oh, I thought it was a Dodge Star. What the fuck is that?
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck that is, bro.
It's like a weird ass car. Looks clean though, kind of. All right. So we'll see right now. Start checking it all out, and then we'll go from here. See if it happens or not. That thing has like neochrome light taillights.
Yeah.
Hollow Squad, what the hell? All right, guys. So we got the car. It's fucking badass. I love it, but we still got a trip to make home. So I'm not gonna upload it just yet. But I was gonna give you a quick glimpse, but I'll just do it when I get home. Fuck it. What do you think, Pedro?
That's just fucking nice.
All right. It's iconic as fuck. It's badass. I'll just give you a little hint. It's like basically it's a drift missile, but yeah, it's a drift missile.
It's a little throwback.
Yeah, it's a throwback drift missile. Other than that, guys, so you gotta wait for the road trip, and hopefully we can make it home. We are about 2 hours away, so let's do it. Guys, the car's been got. More importantly, it's more of a gift. It's pretty badass. I'm excited. So yeah. There's no way I just found another one, but the same thing. That's crazy. So, guys, Pedro scored a fucking Hot Wheel at least today. We did some hunting. Let me see it, bro. Let me see it. Okay, let me get my stuff. Yeah. Shit, look at that shit. Damn, it's got a freaking big ass wing on it too.
Hell yeah, big winging.
Heck yeah. So I just gotta get a little bit of things, making sure the car. I was recording backwards, but just got a little bit more things for the car. Make sure it's just safe and sound, since we are gonna do a 2-hour drive. It's kind of sketchy, but you think we got this one?
Yeah, we got this.
Yeah, we should get this. Holy crap! Is that an Evo? Nah, never mind. That's a Lancer. Kind of nervous on this trip, guys. Hopefully this car's got it. We put some additives and all that good stuff, and hopefully we can actually make it home. That's a badass bird. So yeah, boogie. So guys, we were on our way back already, and we realized we have a fucking issue with the tires. So guys, while our tires are getting changed, we're here. Shout out to Broadway Tire Automotive, real OGs. Me and Pedro just grubbing. Fortunately, we can't get home as fast as we can now, but we'll get there safe. Car's running safe. It's running good. But what do you gotta say to this adventure, bro?
It's been interesting.
Very interesting. Our fucking tire got a bola, like a chichi. Three chichis, like two of them. But hopefully they get fixed soon. So guys, we finally made it back to the valley. We've been trying to finish this whole damn video. Chewbacca's fucking back from Texas. Sele is back from building his car. Well, partially still. It's in the process. But we're still all building our damn cars. Anyways, guys, so I'll be uploading the well, I'll finish this video with the car and the video in the beginning. In the end, basically. Well, guys, I had to wait till the morning to finish this video. But without further ado, I will show you guys the new finish of this car. To introduce it. And check it out, guys. It's our new project car. Scored. The twin Terreno. The twin Supra. Whatever you guys want to call it. This is the 200SX S12 chassis. It is running. It is driving. And it works. Starts up just like a champ. Ah, it works. The horn works pretty well. Fucking ass scaring the shit out of me. Here you go, baby. Start it up real quick. See? See, guys? So it's got a little bit of issues, but hey, it drove all the way back from San Diego. I got a hell of a steal of it. And guys, I mean, you guys like more content like this to the channel? It's a new addition to the car. It shuts off. It's having like a little bit of a starter issue, but we'll get that fixed right now.